Hey everyone, I'm the Rusty Autoholic guy where you see every single nut and bolt that I work on. And on today's video, we are replacing the muffler with a Banks muffler kit on my 2005 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Let's get started. Okay, I have the Banks muffler unpackaged. I was really impressed. Whenever you have a part that comes in and it has custom styrofoam molding to keep everything safe, you know you're getting a quality product. But here's the muffler. Here's the piece that goes up and over the rear axle. Here's the piece that comes out of the Jeep. Here's the tip, installation hardware, and the most important piece, the remaining hardware, but this sticker right here. As every car guy knows, this is an instant 25 horsepower to anything you're doing. So let's get this installed. Okay guys, that's all I've got. We got the muffler installed. And in case you didn't see it, this was the old one. And yeah, it was a piece of junk. So I'm actually really glad to have it gone. I'm kind of converted to the Banks exhaust system. That was the easiest muffler I have ever installed in my life. So highly recommend. So anyway, leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you know what to do. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you have, as always, thank you. And I'll see you in the next video very soon. Goodbye.